Kajing dia do kalong kme yala ikon na kajing slam ban poi chik jaka sumar tang na kajing dheng kali hapam pernai haka khandre tarik unai lur jar pulai namar kajing don ka tamasa iakob khwai dok kha kala penlong yu nong thau an ka Voice of the People's Party na North Shillong Bah Adelbert nong rumban pan jubab na sarkar jala lingba ka 0-hour notice ka bawla ra haka sib jong dorbar sanran jong yeng dorbar thau an ka jala Meghalaya haka khat khandai tarik unai lur jar pulai Daga Ther ting namar ka jingbam don ki kyndon te lakam ka bal haba penlong yakum kini ki jing iakob ki bakit ki busket ki bahe hadu san paulak tingkai Bah Adelbert ulabu jing keliru mano ba ai bori ki bri ban penlong yakum kini ki jing iakob ula ang mga sarkar kan hapsim kia bakum kini ki jing ja kiram jasu nang ni sikmat bat upan ru ka jubab kumnu ki pulet ki dan banta ban penyat jing sam busket ya kinong khwai ni kinong ya khalai nusep Halor kani ka notice uba prestun ten song sembut menteri rang ba obari kmi ikatanat kampo yeng ulapan bor na ulampang bun bu ikajubab ha kamit jong ka yeng.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for allowing me to raise a matter of grave importance on the rules 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. Sir, I will not make speech, but I'll try to put a question to the present day of the government. The matter relates to the shocking death of an infant baby on date 16/9/2023 who had to be delivered without a medical assistance inside a passenger vehicle by a pregnant mother, as their vehicle was unfortunately stuck in a 3-hour-long traffic jam caused by double side, parking along the road, and unruly crowd not giving way to traffic, an unregulated fishing competition organized at Lake, West Hills. Even as district administration was found guilty of negligence in issuing permission without taking responsibility in maintaining law and order, and district police personnel seen being engaged in prize distribution while noticeable absent in controlling crowd and vehicle from obstructing the traffic flow on the busy Shillong Highway alongside the fishing competition venue. Sir, it's really a matter of grave concern. I'm raising this issue, which has been featured as a prominent front page news item on a number of local daily newspapers, including Maupor and Nongsain Hima, in yesterday's edition, 18 September 2023. The incident has also been covered by electronic media, and videos are online on YouTube with thousands of viewers. Mr. Speaker, sir, I understand that Rule 49A does not allow me to make a speech, and so as a responsible legislator, I only request for a statement from the concerned minister in charge on a few important aspects. A. What action is being taken against the DC of West Hills for granting permission to the fishing competition without carrying out responsibility to ensure law and order? And against the SP of West Hills for allowing police personnel to be engaged by organizer in prize distribution while being absent from traffic management and crowd control. B. Whether future events of fishing competition, not just in West Hills, but in other districts as well, I may request the attention of the House. This is very important and very vital for the state at large. Can be put on hold till such time that a proper regulation can be made by legislation, so that no more untoward incident should occur that put a danger to the health and safety of general public. C. Is government apprised of the adverse impact of fishing competition held almost every Saturday on the weekly earning of rural households who are being addictively attracted to prize money of around 50 lakhs in total each event, while having to shell out 2,000 to 3,000 rupees as an, and of which perhaps zero amount goes towards government revenue. So I won't take much of everyone's time. So I wish that I will end up with just very few words. I resume my seat. Thank you, sir.
Will the minister be able to answer the question, or he may he may lay a statement in the House during the session?
Mr. Speaker, sir, since you just admitted just now, zero notice, so if I may be allowed, I will lay the statement tomorrow, sir.